Right. So I don't know why I'm making this video or whether I should be making this video or not. I had my core engineering subject exams in the last 3 days, and in the next few days, my first year of college life is going to come to an end. This time last year, I did not know where I would end up. बोर्ड्स ख़त्म हो चुके थे, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स पास आ रही थी, नीट जेई, but I still did not know where I would end up. And initially, I had no plans of joining an engineering college, let alone the fact that I'd be joining VIT Vellore altogether. But ये सब की अब 1 साल हो चुकी है, and things have changed, and I think that I have to change as a person after joining college and experiencing all the stuff which happened in the last 1 year. Through this video, I'll be sharing some of my reflections and realizations as a first year engineering student. So yeah, but before I begin, I have no expertise in video editing or visual blogging. So at any point in time, if the camera frame shifts abruptly, it's not my fault. Acceptance. The first lesson that I learned here was acceptance. For a very good few months after coming 3,000 kilometers away from home, I still didn't know whether I made the right decision. Look, here's the thing. I switched to take engineering major at the last moment. Hands down, VIT is one of the best engineering colleges in India after the top IITs and NITs. But then I still didn't know that whether coming so far from home was worth it. अब देखो, प्रॉब्लम थोड़ी हमारी एजुकेशन सिस्टम की भी है. यहाँ for more than half of our life, our school and school friends become such an integral part of our lives, and all of a sudden it just goes out. मतलब एकदम से इतना चेंज एक्सेप्ट करना भी उतना आसान तो नहीं होगा. I know, कहने के लिए it sounds very nice that a bird has to ultimately leave its nest, but actually में ये करना बहुत ही difficult है. Now for someone who comes from a small town जहाँ JEE, NEET के उतने चर्चे भी नहीं हैं, and suddenly you're in an engineering college where the sharpest of minds are there to compete with you. That too in a place which is culturally so different than yours. So एकदम से culture shock तो होता भी है, और ये academic environment का भी shock लगता है. At this point, friends become the only escape. Now for a good period of time, I didn't feel like connecting with people very deeply here because I didn't want to give my college friends the same place which my friends at school hold. It just felt so wrong giving their place in my hearts to them. I was withholding so much that it was as though I was stuck in the past. अब ये तो सुना ही था कि comparison is the thief of joy, but अभी एक्चुअली में लग रहा था कि memories can be a thief of joy too. अब स्कूल के लोग थे ही ऐसे. स्कूल लाइफ में हमें सब कुछ सिखाया, लेकिन ये नहीं सिखाया कि स्कूल के बाद कैसे गुजारा करें. लिटरली द बेस्ट मोमेंट्स ऑफ आवर लाइफ. पहले जब घर से कॉल आता था और घर वाले कहते थे कि तुम्हारे बिना घर सुना सुना है, इट वॉज लाइक एज दो इट वॉज लाइक पुटिंग सॉल्ट टू आवर वुंड. Maybe if the concept of parallel universes and multiverse is true, maybe in some universe we never left our hometown and we spent our life beautifully out there अपने घर में. It was only after 2-3 months that I realized कि अब तो changes accept करना ही पड़ेगा. एक ही फीस में और एक ही जगह में stuck रहने से कुछ हासिल होने वाला तो है नहीं. Gradually I accepted the changes. And trust me, I got to meet some of the best people out here. I made amazing friends, amazing classmates, amazing roommates, some of the best professors which I could possibly get out here. And I think that all this comforted me and it made me make peace with this new phase of life. So yeah, shout out to all of you. जाने कैसे कोई कह सके कि ये इत्तेफाक है. Another reflection that I want to share would be that I think that I have become a bit more kinder and a bit more empathic after coming here. One realization that I have had is that everyone is suffering from the same shit. अब किसी को भी शौक नहीं चढ़ा इतनी दूर आके इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में अपना सिर फोड़ने को. सबकी अपनी अपनी मजबूरियां हैं. रात को हॉस्टल का सीन अलग होता है जब सब लड़के कॉरिडोर्स में आके चलते चलते घर पे कॉल करते हैं. ये बात अलग है कि झूठ बोलना पड़ता है कि हमने तीनों टाइम का खाना खाया. But then the fact of the matter is that everybody is going through some shit in their lives, and maybe we all can become a bit more kinder. We never know what someone is going through. It's everybody's first time living a life. चाहे वो मेस वाले भैया हो या कैंटीन वाली दीदी, थोड़ा काइंड होने से किसी का दिन बन सकता है. Then why not? And perhaps the biggest lesson that I have learned is that I have to be a bit less harsh on myself. Right from school, I was just overachiever kid. Academics में सबसे आगे, extra curriculars में सबसे आगे. But ये सब मैंने parental pressure या कोई pressure के कारण नहीं किया. It just happened on its own. But then in my first year of college, I felt that I was pressuring myself. I was pressurizing my own self. Now I got into computer science engineering year, not through GEE or VIT EEE, but due to my rank position in ISC boards. So at every given point in time, I felt this low self-esteem that I don't deserve to be here with all this JEE में 97-98 percentile लाने वाले students. It was as though I was pressurizing my own self to prove that I was worth being here. To convince my own self, I studied so hard in my first semester that I became the branch topper. ये सब करके I convinced my own mind that okay, I'm worth being here. But did it make me happy? No. I have realized that marks will never compensate for the sleepless nights and the meals that I have skipped. Now, despite all the laurels and awards that I have won in school and college, I have realized this. If anything is costing you your mental peace, it's not worth it. At this point, marks doesn't make me happy, but the people around me do. My family. My friends from school, जिनके साथ एक बार वीडियो कॉल में बात करने से everything feels so much better. So, at the end of the day, engineering college इतना भी बुरा नहीं है. It's up to you that what you make out of it. अब देखो, कॉलेज लाइफ राजकुमार हिरानी के 3 Idiots या करण जौहर के स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर जैसे तो हो नहीं सकती है और होना भी नहीं चाहिए. So my message would be, wherever you are right now, hostel room, study desk, a late night walk, wherever, just remember, you are doing your best, and that's enough.